Here we're going to have a little more practice with our function notation. That's new to us. It's exciting. We're pumped. First thing, we have g of x equals negative 2x squared plus 3. We want to find g of 3. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take that 3, I'm going to plug it into the x. In this case, there's only one x. Sometimes we have two x's, sometimes we have three. Just depends. This one we only have one. Only have to plug it in once. So I have g of 3 equals negative 2. Parentheses. Remember, we always put that number into parentheses. Whatever we're plugging in, we put it in parentheses. Plus 3. So negative 2 times 3 squared plus 3. Well, I look at my parentheses first. No operations to do in here. So I go to my exponents. PEMDAS. Don't forget PEMDAS. Negative 2. Well, 3 squared is 9 plus 3. Negative 2 times 9 is negative 18 plus 3. So I get negative 15, which means that g of 3 equals negative 15. Boom. Done. Let's try this next one here. If you're feeling confident, you're ready to go, try it on your own, then press play when you're ready for an explanation. I have f of x equals negative x cubed minus 2. We want to find f of negative 2. So we're going to take that negative 2, plug it into my x. We have f of negative 2 equals negative, then parentheses, negative 2 cubed minus 2. All right, our order of operations are very, very important in this one. Well, negative 2, there's nothing to do inside there, so we go right to our exponent, right to that cubed. Negative 2 cubed, that's like negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. So negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4, times negative 2 is negative 8. So I have negative, and then negative 8 in parentheses, minus 2. Well, negative negative makes it positive 8 minus 2, and that gives us 6. So f of negative 2 is positive 6. Let's talk about that one more time. Negative 2 cubed. Negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 gives me negative 8. Negative 8 with a negative out front gives me positive 8. Minus 2 gives me 6. Common mistake. People see negative, negative. Oh, I'll make it positive right away and cube it. Well, in this case, that's okay. You would end up with the same thing, but that doesn't always work out. So be very, very careful if you did negative, negative makes it positive and you cubed it and got positive 8. In this case, it works. Every time, it does not work. So you cannot do that. Parentheses, guard that negative 2 from this negative out here. You got to do the exponent first. Okay? Well done.